Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the process of deleting a user from a SQLite database based on their ID. Whether you're managing user accounts or performing data maintenance, knowing how to delete specific user records is a valuable skill for database administrators and developers. Let's dive in and learn how to do it effectively. Deleting a user from a database based on their ID allows us to remove specific user records from the database. In this video, we will focus on practical techniques for deleting users based on their IDs in SQLite using Python. We'll cover the necessary steps and provide you with practical examples. Before we can delete a user based on their ID, we need to establish a connection to the SQLite database. In Python, we can achieve this using the SQLite3 module. Here's an example code snippet. Now that we have established the connection, let's move on to deleting a user based on their ID. We'll use the delete statement with a where clause to specify the ID condition for deletion. Here's an example code snippet. In the code snippet, we first create a cursor object using the cursor method. The cursor allows us to execute SQL statements. Then, we use the execute method to delete the user from the users table based on the ID condition. In this example, we delete the user with ID 2. Finally, we commit the changes to the database. When deleting a user based on their ID, it's important to ensure that the ID condition accurately identifies the user you want to delete. Always double-check the ID value and verify that it corresponds to the correct user record in the database to maintain data integrity. Fantastic! You've learned how to delete a user from a SQLite database based on their ID. This knowledge will empower you to manage user accounts and maintain accurate user information within your databases. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy database management.